Hi everyone, my name is Ginger. Welcome to Wise Studio. Let's get started, shall we? In this video, we are making Tonjiru, a dish made popular from the Midnight Diner TV series. This is a soothing dish often eaten during the colder months in Japan. There are so many different ways of making this dish, but I wanted to show you my family's traditional recipe here. This is konjac, a jelly-like ingredient that's high in fiber. However, it smells like ammonia, which you have to wash off with hot water to get rid of the smell. Of course, once it's cooked, it won't smell like that. This is regular Asian carrot. You should be able to find this in your local Asian grocery store. It's bigger than the normal carrot, but if you don't have this, 3 regular carrots can be used. Just make sure to cut all the ingredients the same size. The same goes for the daikon radish. Peel and cut it in a similar size as the carrot and the konjac. As a side note, all these ingredients are the basic ingredients for this dish, but you can add other vegetables to make it your own recipe. For the onion, I used 1 large size of sweet yellow onion. The next ingredient, I think, is the most important. It is called gobo, otherwise known as burdockroot, a root vegetable that is high in fiber and rich in antioxidant. And we have to put them to the water like an apple. It's changing color. In the water. Cut the green onions. These are to be used as a garnish on top of the soup. Just set aside in the bowl. For the pork, I often use pork belly slices or thinly sliced pork for this dish. If you want to keep it vegetarian, just don't add the meat to this dish. So if you're a vegetarian, you don't need meat. But it won't be tonjiru anymore because there is no pork, but it will still taste good. Add oil to a large pot that can hold all the ingredients. I prefer to use non-scented oils, so I don't use coconuts or olive oils for this dish. Oh my gosh, in this video, I took out the meat. I don't know why, sorry. But you don't have to remove the meat. Once the meat is cooked, just add the vegetables and the konjac to the pot and mix them all together. Yes, 500 milliliters. Then another 400 ml to basically cover the ingredients and let it boil. As it boils, you will need to skim the froth from the top for a clear looking and tasting soup. Then add 24 grams of hondashi powder. Next, add the miso paste. There are many ways to add miso paste to a soup. This is just one of the ways that I do it. Finally, add the sake as the last ingredient and do a quick stir and taste test.
OK。OK です。
Oh, don't forget to top this with green onions. I hope you liked this recipe and please try it out. It's a perfect now that we're into the colder months of the year. I guarantee that this soup will make you feel warm and comfy inside. If you have any suggestion, please feel free to comment and like and subscribe for more. ありがとうございます。
ごちそうさまでした。